Snow falls through the crisp and pure winter air of the Ozark Hills. While the skies are gloom and gray, the land is slowly hidden by a fresh blanket of powder-like snow. These wintry vistas appear like photos from a postcard that only a true artist could ever imagine. And as quickly as it appeared, the snow will quickly melt away under the warmth of a new day's sun. Seasons come and seasons go, but like clockwork, the Ozarks are transformed each time into a new, yet familiar landscape. A landscape full of promise and potential, full of history and family roots. Wildflowers will blossom, and the trees will return lush and green. Fields prosper, and the soil is once again recharged, standing tall and awaiting the touch of a farmer's calloused hands. It's a delicate balance of a man's hard work and faith that with time and a little patience, it will once again be rewarded by a bountiful harvest. From the crystal clear waters of a spring-fed stream comes the essential source of all living things. It's a place to enjoy under the heat of a summer's sun, or to power the lives of all who call it home. By land or by water, the Ozarks has something for all who seek her. The Ozarks isn't just a place, it is a way of life. It's a place built to help others, and a place to dig our roots, a place we simply call home. The Ozarks bridges the east to the west, and has opened a gateway of promise and opportunity, all while still honoring and cherishing our deep roots to our communities. Standing tall and standing true. Time may pass, but our way of life still remains tried and true. A deep respect for history and those who have shaped our lives. From the rolling hills and deep valleys, a deep connection to nature still remains. The Ozarks are waiting for you. Are you ready for the adventure?